Wireless fire alarm systems are the new face of fire safety. They are quick to install, flexible and highly reliable, and offer protection without the hassle of extensive wiring. But are they the right choice for your building? This simple video guide will help you understand how wireless fire alarm systems work and if they're right for you. Wireless fire alarm systems may sound modern, but they've been around since the 1980s. Very early models had a few issues with battery life and signal reliability, but today's systems are highly advanced and meet both British and European standards for fire safety. Wireless fire alarm systems are now trusted in properties ranging from domestic homes to historic landmarks like Windsor Castle. Wireless fire alarm systems simply replace the unsightly cables of traditional fire alarm systems with radio signals. The radio signals connect the fire alarm call points and detectors to a central control panel. For users, they work just like traditional systems. If you spot a fire, you break a call point and the alarm will sound. There's no special training required, and they offer the same level of protection as wired systems. Wireless fire alarm systems offer significant advantages for a variety of properties. They're quick to install, causing minimal disruption to your business without requiring areas to close or work to be scheduled outside regular hours. Their clean, cable-free design prevents wall damage while maintaining your space's appearance. Wireless fire alarm systems are highly flexible and can be easily adapted if your building layout changes. They're also cost-effective, saving on labor and decorating expenses, and are certified to British standards, ensuring reliability even during power outages. Wireless fire alarms are particularly suitable for high-end retail or aesthetically focused spaces. They also work well for hotels or businesses that can't shut areas for installation. Wireless alarms are ideal for historic or listed buildings where wiring isn't permitted. They are a great solution for complex sites like schools or colleges with multiple buildings. They are useful in properties which expect to have future renovations or layout changes. Wireless alarms are also often used in blocks of flats which require fire safety repair work. This is because wireless fire alarm systems remove the need for 24/7 monitoring by a human being, also known as a waking watch. However, the new generation of wireless fire alarms also means their flexibility, clean design and quick installation make them a smart choice for most types of business. If you think a wireless fire alarm system might be right for you, or you're not sure what you need, contact us to book a free, no-obligation site survey conducted by one of our highly trained, experienced surveyors.